Make in India has made a transformative shift in the landscape of pharma. I think it has also changed that how the pharmaceutical sector views it not just as a cost impact, but more as a strategic enabler, I would say, for access, for resilience, and more driving equitable access for which we are here. If I look at how I think as Takeda, I think the Make in India policy is very well aligned to our long-term purpose of building a self-reliant, inclusive healthcare ecosystem, and that's what Make in India strengthens. If I will give you two examples from what we are doing to ensure our commitment to this. One, we have built a manufacturer. We have entered into a manufacturing partnership with Biological E at Hyderabad to manufacture Takeda's dengue vaccine, which is part of a global supply chain plan. So that's one critical example. The second one, we have an innovation capability center in Bangalore, which is actually all set to ready to go to 750 more employees. And through this innovation capability center, we are embedding India in Takeda's world or global world of data science, tech, AI, and these are the two examples how we continue to drive commitment here. What we believe that India is very well positioned as with our demographics, with our talent, with our policy shifts, and to drive the healthcare ecosystem for equitable access. And we are committed to be part of this transformation as Takeda. And as we kind of keep doing, I think we believe that Make in India continues to be a strategic enabler, and we as Takeda will continue to build or co-partner to co-create solutions, to make investments local for local innovation, and continue to be part of this journey.